everyone, I'm Myiesha.
What's up? My name's Melinda, and we're going to be talking a little bit about body skincare today, specifically around smoothing the appearance of your skin on your body. We're going to talk about cellulite, stretch marks, all these things that we've really grown to love about ourselves, but also, you know, we want to give ourselves a little bit of TLC and take care of us. So we've got quite a bit to talk about. Let's jump in.
So the things we're gonna talk about today are really great as part of a routine. And just like when you do your skincare, you do a little facial massage and give yourself some TLC, your skin just looks better, it looks more radiant.
Yeah.
You can see your bone structure better. Same idea with the body. You can reduce the appearance of like bumpiness due to cellulite and things like that. Makes your stretch marks look a little bit closer to your skin tone and less visible if you sort of just take care of your body. So something I like to do is dry brushing. This is from Goop. This is their dry brush. It's super easy to do. I like to get in the shower, but before I turn it on, dry brush, dry skin. And you just wanna work from your feet all the way up and you'll see like tiny little like dead skin cells fall off. It's super satisfying. Might sound gross to you, but super satisfying. And you do it for about like 3 to 5 minutes or so, and do it as often as you like, maybe once a week, a couple times a month, whatever fits into your routine. And it's a great way to start everything else, but love dry brushing. So after I dry brush, I go ahead and shower as normal. One of my faves is from Necessaire. This is the body wash. And this is in the fragrance-free version. Depending on, you know, how special I'm feeling, I might do the sandalwood or the eucalyptus. But I really like it because after you dry brush, you know, you've exfoliated, you can feel a little tingly, a little sensitive. So this one has some plant oils in it. So it gives you a really nice, like clean, but doesn't strip your skin afterwards, which is what I really, really like. A good body wash is very important. I think sometimes people don't think about it, but I just love the way I feel. I want a body wash that when after I use it, my skin still feels moisturized, and this does it for me.
So after you jump out of the shower, you always want to give your body a little something back, right? So I've been using this one from Paula's Choice. It's the weightless body treatment with 2% BHA. BHA is going to be your beta hydroxy acid, so it's going to be more like a chemical exfoliant. Kind of does the work for you, which is nice. And this is a serum format, so it's really kind of lightweight. And when you jump out of the shower, it kind of just seeps into your skin quickly, and you can move on to your moisturizer right after. But I love the texture. I love the smell. It's really light. It does the job.
So we're going to talk about some moisturizing products, which is really great. When you moisturize the skin, you plump it up. When you massage it in, you kind of energize and stimulate the skin too, which can have a very nice smoothing effect. This is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Boom Boom Cream. If you said Bum Bum Cream, leave a comment down below because I said Bum Bum Cream for like 2 years. And it is this beautiful, rich texture. I actually like to apply this before I get out of the shower. I take advantage of like my skin being wet and the steam and everything. It just helps kind of like soak in that moisture. It's this really beautiful, like rich cream.
So lush.
It's not greasy at all. Like you can jump right into bed. It won't stick to your sheets or anything. And it has this gourmand scent profile. You know I love.
It smells so yummy.
Fragrance. And you can kind of see like my unmoisturized skin versus the moisturized skin. It just looks like more luminous, more healthy and smooth. Even like the color looks better.
Smooth. Yeah.
For sure. But definitely massage your body creams on and give your skin some moisture, and it's gonna look much smoother.
All right, speaking of moisturizer, this is a newbie from JLo Body, and I'm obsessed. It's the Firm and Flaunt Targeted Booty Balm. So let's talk about booties. It can be used all over, but I gotta say, I think my booty is probably in like the top 3 priorities of moisturizing.
Yeah, you gotta moisturize your butt. You can't miss it.
Exactly. And similar to Sol, this one has like really good energizing kind of circulating benefits that are going to plump and smooth the appearance of your skin. But what I really love about this for me is that it also helps to kind of lighten up the appearance of my stretch marks. And when I actually put it on, I get a little bit of that like instant gratification as well, because it has a really pretty sheen to it. So you kind of
get a pinky sheen with a lot of her skincare that's really pretty.
Yeah, and it helps just kind of give that like nice reflective appearance to it.
Moisturized skin is always going to look like healthier, more even skin. So you can do a lot with a moisturizer.
Yeah, I love this stuff.
So lastly, we're going to talk about some oil. I feel like you can't have a video about cellulite and stimulating the skin without some type of really great oil to use. So this is from Clarins. This is a classic. I've been using this for years. A little goes a long way.
Oh, yeah.
Sort of dries down to like a dry oil type of feel.
Which is nice because then you're not slipping around.
And I usually just apply it from head to toe and like massage it in on like those little areas that you tend to get cellulite, like the hips and thighs and things like that.
And it smells so good.
It smells amazing. So if you want to find even more cellulite smoothing, brightening body products, you can go to Sephora.com. We have an entire section for you to shop. If you want to pick up some of these, you can shop the shelf. And until next time, bye.
Bye.